Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2016. March corn finished the day up 1.5 pennies, settling at 372.5. We continue to run up and test that 373, 375 critical zone that we've been talking about, it seems like, for 2 weeks now, trying to give us some indication of where this consolidation wants to go. It is finding very significant resistance at that 373 and keeps getting pushed down and unable to close above that mark. Today, like I said, we only gained 1.5 pennies, and we're going to need to close above that 373 to 375 area if we're going to make any attempt at our upside target of just 391. So we continue to watch those numbers and see if the overbought indicator in the stochastics is going to start to break to the downside and these prices get exhausted up here at the top and pushed downward. Brazil's CONAB is scheduled to release their first corn acreage estimates on Thursday, so we'll be interested to see what that agency gives us as far as their corn acreage projections. And on another fundamental note, export numbers continue to be in line with what the trade is expecting. However, that is short of what the USDA's what it would take to meet the USDA's projections for exports this year. March 16 beans were up 5.25 cents today, selling at 8.8625. Beans, just like corn, continue to run into that very significant resistance. For the beans, it's 8.88. That's the point of control that we need to break through in order to push toward our upside targets of $9 and possibly even $9.16. As I've said in the last few days, $9 is going to be a tough round number to break through from a resistance level, but we do look for $9.16 if we break this and close above $8.88. July 16 wheat was basically in the same spot it left off yesterday, flat for the day at 4.8525. We continue to have information such as what has been given out of Iran, that they will discontinue any imports of wheat as citing sufficient supply for the year. But as we all know, we've had long-standing sanctions in place with that country anyway, so there's probably not going to be much of an effect on prices. We are looking for $5 and a break of $5 pretty quickly if we're going to have any chance of moving up in the July wheat contract. Otherwise, we continue to look for weakness in the wheat charts. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday. Look forward to talking with you tomorrow afternoon.